So question 6a says consider the graphs of G, which is a hyperbola, and H, which is another hyperbola. The first question says write down the domain of G. So the domain of G are all the x values that the graph can have. Now, one thing we know about hyperbolas is that they have two asymptotes always, x asymptote and a y asymptote, and these asymptotes can be shifted around, and we can determine these asymptotes from the equation or the general equation of a hyperbola. And the x asymptote is generally this one, or it's always that, the value underneath the fraction. So x minus 3 is equal to 0. That's the equation of our asymptote, which means that of all the x values we have, x cannot be equal to 3 because that's the value of the asymptote. So if we want the domain of our function, then it's gonna be x is an element of all real numbers, but x cannot be equal to 3, just that.